Hello and welcome to Math. Today we are going to look at division still, but this time we're going to look at dividing by sharing. Ooh, more base 10. So this time we're going to do a question, let's make it fun. Let's do balloons, because who doesn't love balloons? There's going to be a parade, and somebody has 321 balloons. So I'm going to write that over here. That they've blown up for the parade, but that has to be distributed between 5 different floats. So what we're doing is we're dividing the 321 balloons by 5 floats that are going to use them. So let's take a look at what this will look like with 10 rods and all of those fun things. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our number 321. So normally we would write this with 300s. 300 flats. Oh, that does not look as... I am not happy with that. That might confuse somebody as a 10 rod. So I'm going to make it more square. Okay, so there are my 300 flats. Then I'm going to use 2 10 rods. And then I'm going to have my one single little unit. Okay, so that's what my 321 looks like. Now, I cannot share this out into 5 floats because there are not 500s here. So I get to make them into 10 rods. You got it. So here we go. We're going to use up our first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we'll do our next 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And my last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have my 300s here in 10 rods. So there should be 30 of them if I've done this right. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Awesome. So we have our 30, 31, 32. So we have 32 10 rods, and we're going to divide that into 5 floats. So 1 float, 2 floats, 3, 4, 5. So I've got my 5 different groups here. So I'm going to start counting out my 32 10 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, I've used up my 30 here, but I still have my 2, but my 2 can't get divided up into 5 groups. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to decide how many have I already used. Well, we know that we've used 300. We've already counted that. So can 5 go into 3? No. Can 5 go into 32? Why, yes it can. So we're going to find out how many times. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So far it fits in 60 times, but we're not done yet. What we're going to do, because we can go further, what we're going to do is we're going to take away the 300 that we've used from 321. We've used 300. So 1 take away 0 is 1. 2 take away 0 is 2. 3 take away 3 is 0. So we still have 21 left over. Now, can 5 go into 21? Yes, it can. So it's not a remainder yet. We can still do more division. So we have 21 little like 10 rods and units here that we can break down smaller and still divide out into these groups. So what we're going to do is we're going to break these 10 rods down into units so we have more things to divide out. So each one of these 10 rods is 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one of them. And now for the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the other one, and we still have one more. So we have our 20, because 10 plus 10 is 21. So there's our 21 that we have left over. So we're going to start sharing these out just like we were doing before, like shuffling, like dealing a deck of cards, one per each pile until they're gone. So we're going to do 21 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've used up our 20 and we still have one left, and we can't divide one into 5 groups, so we're just going to leave it for now. So we've used 20 units, our 20 units here, so we're going to take the 20 away now. So we've got 20 that we just used, and we're going to take it away from 21. So 1 take away 0 is 1, 2 take away 2 is 0, 0 take away 0 is 0. So we have 1 left. Can 5 go into 1? No. So this will end up being our remainder. But what do we write up here? So this is where we figure out the rest of what we've done here. So we counted that this was 60. That's where our 60 is. Our 10 rods equal 60. So now we have to add on our 1, 2, 3, 4 little ones. So we start by counting our 60. We're counting by tens because they're 10 rods. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And now we switch to ones. 61, 62, 63, 64. So that's what goes up here. 64. And we have our remainder of 1. So we have to remember to bring that up. Okay? So in this parade with these 321 balloons, each of the 5 floats will get 64 balloons, and there will be 1 left over. Maybe some beautiful child will get it, and we'll have a great day. And I hope you guys have a great day, because math is fun. Yeah. Well, maybe not always fun, but it might help you get a job or buy things that you really, really want. So, still useful. We can agree on that. Math is useful.